Dr. Call, thank you for taking the time to meet with us today. Will you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Yes, I'm a general practitioner dentist. I do focus a lot on oral surgery. I do a lot of implant placements and IV sedation as well as restorative cases. I have been in practice since 2005 after I finished my general practice residency. So for the last, 12 years?
Perfect. One of the reasons we wanted to take some time with you today was to talk about the importance of technology and how you view it in your eyes from the clinician standpoint.
Technology has always been very important in my practice. I feel that it can help me be more precise and more accurate. It can also improve my workflow. And it also makes my patients feel more comfortable knowing that I put in every effort that I can to make sure that we're going to get the expected results that I've told them we're going to get.
So it builds confidence in the patient in accepting treatment plans for you?
Very much so. Yeah, when I can show them preliminary on a computer what I've worked up, they feel far more confident that the results are going to be what they expect. When they can see the results, it's pretty easy for them to accept the treatment.
Perfect. When thinking cone beam and you decided to integrate that into your practice, when was the first time that you thought about it, or what ignited or sparked that interest in you?
I've always used cone beam. I think it's vital for implant placement. There's no way I would do implants without a cone beam. I've always referred out for cone beams. I've sent the patients to various radiology centers to get the cone beams and then have them sent back to me. The problem was the turnaround time, and that the patients sometimes wouldn't follow up with the cone beams and then getting them back for the consultation. So I've always wanted one in my practice, so when it finally became available for me to get one, I jumped on the opportunity.
How was that process for you in working with my team?
Well, Argentina and Shane with Henry Schein really made it a very simple process. They introduced me with the vendors, showed me how the units work and the different options that were available. They took care of all the ordering, made sure the office was prepared to handle the unit, took care of all the installation and all the software, and it really made it flawless. Very easy process.
Integration, I'm glad you hit on that. There's always a learning curve with in implementing technology like this into a practice. Would you say that you felt supported by the company, Instrumentarium? Would you say you felt supported by us at Schein here locally?
Yes, very supported. The software company sent somebody out to do an on-site training. Where they took the day to train the staff on how to work the machine and how to take the CT scans, as well as train me on the software so that I could utilize all the information that I was getting.
Would you say that we provided you with sufficient and accurate information for you to narrow down what unit fit your practice best?
They did a great job narrowing it down. It was a real easy process throughout the afternoon, just kind of went through the different options, pluses and minuses of the different types of units that were out there. I explained to them what I was looking for and what I wanted to do with the machine, and they kind of pointed me in the right direction of which unit was going to meet the needs of my practice.
Do you feel that we addressed your concerns in a timely manner throughout the whole process?
So, yeah, Henry Schein they were on top of it. They got everything handled very quickly. I probably could have had the thing installed the next day if I wanted to, it seemed like. So they handled the whole process very efficiently.
You've owned your unit for a little bit of time now. Looking back at the overall experience, would you say it was a pleasant experience? Would you recommend our team and our team approach when looking at implementing something like this?
It was definitely been a great experience. I really haven't had any problems. Even when I had a few questions and I had forgotten certain aspects, they're always available, either Henry Schein or the rep from the Instrumentarium company, to answer any questions or come back to refresh my memory if I had any questions about anything.
What do you value most about partnering up with Argentina?
Argentina has been fabulous to work with. She is very hands-on. She wants to kind of know about all aspects of the practice so that she can help tailor all the Henry Schein services to meet our needs, help reduce costs, and increase our efficiency. So she's been great to kind of keep track. And as a new practice owner, it's been beneficial for me to kind of ask her some questions about efficiencies and where I can help improve on some of the ordering and the maintenance and things that I need around the office.